I've spent close to 2 decades working alongside facilities teams. And here's what I know. There's no better group of people you want in your corner. They're steady, dependable, resilient. Facilities teams are the unsung heroes of the built environment. Every delightful retail space, every safe restaurant, every piece of equipment that just works. That's them. Every amazing customer experience. That's them. But too often, their day gets consumed by chasing work orders that are delayed or blocked, digging through notes to find the latest update, or constantly triaging the latest escalation. It's reactive work, and it's relentless. That's why we built ServiceChannel AI. It's not a separate tool or a bolt-on chatbot. It's intelligence embedded directly into the workflows your teams already use. Catching issues before dispatch, summarizing work orders instantly, and prioritizing what matters most. It is meaningful, usable AI solving real challenges. This is our most transformative innovation yet, designed to revolutionize the way facilities teams operate. The goal isn't to replace the human element, it's to give you and your team back the time and clarity to do what you're best at, protecting your brand and your operations and delighting your customers. Your best work starts now.